Let me ask you something. Have you ever walked into a room, tried to talk, and felt like nobody really cared? Like people just don't take you seriously? You could be the nicest person in the world, but if people don't respect you, your words, your time, or your presence, none of that matters. So today, I'm going to hit you with 7 brutal reasons why people don't respect you. No sugarcoating, no cliche believe in yourself nonsense. These are the hard truths, and the last one will probably sting the most. Let's go. Reason 1. You bring nothing to the table. Here's the harsh reality. Respect is earned through value. If you're good at something, maybe you're great at the gym, skilled in your job, funny, or helpful, people naturally gravitate toward you. But if all you do is wake up late, scroll social media, play games all day, and complain about life, why should anyone respect that? Imagine 2 friends. One helps you edit your resume or fix your phone when it breaks, and the other just sits there talking about how unlucky he is. Who do you naturally respect more? Exactly, the fix, build value. Pick one skill and get good at it, whether it's fitness, video editing, public speaking, or coding, and then use that skill to help others. Even something small, like giving gym tips to a friend or helping your parents with tech stuff, builds quiet respect over time. People respect useful people, so become one. Reason 2. You talk big, but never deliver. We all know that one guy who keeps saying, "Bro, I'm gonna start a YouTube channel soon. I'm joining the gym next week," and then months go by and nothing happens. That person loses credibility fast. Every time you promise something and don't follow through, people stop believing you. You become the guy who talks but never does. Respect comes from action, not words. So if you say you'll do something, do it. If you can't, don't promise it. If you borrow money, pay it back on time. If you say you'll show up, show up. It's that simple. Because once people realize your words mean nothing, your respect meter hits 0. Reason 3. You can't say no. You think saying yes all the time makes you kind, but in reality, it makes you a doormat. When you always say yes to every favor, every invite, every request, people start expecting it. They stop valuing your time because you don't value it yourself. Ever notice how some people always get what they want while others get walked over? The difference is boundaries. The fix. Start small. If you don't want to do something, say, "Not today. I've got other things planned." Or, "Sorry, I can't help right now." You'll be surprised how quickly people start respecting you once you respect your own time. Reason 4. You're always available. Here's something you might not realize. When you're always around, people start to take you for granted. Think about it. When someone is always texting, always calling, always showing up, it's like background noise. But disappear for a bit, focus on your grind, and suddenly people are like, "Hey, where's he been?" That's when they start noticing your value. The fix. Don't be too accessible. Take time for yourself. Delay your replies. Be selective with your presence. But remember, this only works if you're actually working on something. If you disappear just to be lazy, no one's going to miss you. Make your presence valuable and your absence noticeable. Reason 5. You don't respect yourself. This one's huge. If you constantly say stuff like, "I'm not that good," "I'm average," "I don't think I deserve that," you're teaching people how to treat you. You think you're being humble, but you're actually lowering your own value in their eyes. Self-respect isn't arrogance. It's knowing your worth without needing to prove it. When someone compliments you, don't brush it off. Say thanks. I worked hard on that. Stand tall. Speak clearly. Don't shrink yourself just to make others comfortable. Because here's the truth. If you don't respect yourself, no one else will either. Reason 6. You don't take care of your appearance. You could be smart, kind, and funny, but if you smell bad, have messy hair, dirty nails, or sloppy clothes, people notice that first. First impressions stick, and grooming is a big part of that. It's not about luxury brands or expensive skincare. It's about cleanliness, neatness, and effort. The fix. Shower daily. Keep your nails trimmed. Get a clean haircut every few weeks. Use deodorant and mouthwash. Wear clothes that actually fit you. That's it. Looking sharp instantly increases how seriously people take you. You feel better, and people treat you better. Reason 7. You're broke and not doing anything about it. This one stings, but it's real. People don't just respect character. They respect stability and independence, and money plays a big part in that. If you're always borrowing money, can't pay for your own stuff, or rely on others for everything, people eventually look down on you, even if they don't say it out loud. Money doesn't buy respect, but the discipline to earn it does. So instead of complaining about being broke, start fixing it. You can literally make money online today, freelancing, editing, YouTube, copywriting, dropshipping, you name it. Here's a challenge. Give yourself 90 days. Month 1, learn a new skill. Month 2, start applying it. Offer free work to build experience. Month 3, start charging. Even $10 is progress. Once you start earning, even a little, your confidence changes. You start walking differently, talking differently, and people feel that energy. Money gives you options, and options give you respect. So let's recap the 7 brutal truths. You don't add value. You talk too much and act too little. You can't say no. You're too available. You lack self-respect. You ignore grooming. You're broke and not fixing it. These are the things silently killing your respect. But here's the good news, every single one of them is fixable. Start today. Pick one thing, improve it, and build momentum. Because once you fix your value, your habits, and your mindset, you won't have to chase respect anymore. It'll start chasing you. And hey, if this video helped you, give a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.